Just add one more thing to my list to do, and then do it. Taking these baby steps is all it takes to improve. And if you simplify it like that, then it should be a walk in the park. And if I keep telling myself that and I keep practicing that, which is the key, is to practice it, before I know it, one more step, one more mile, one more achievement away from getting to my main focus or my main goal. And it all started by adding that one more thing to the list and then doing it. It's like kindergarten stuff. It really is. We just tend to overcomplicate things.